this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video, well, more of a video share, because apparently my phone wanted to corrupt the video that I had, and this is the first time since I've had this cell phone that it's ever done this, so not sure why I did this, but we're going to do a layout share for the fabulous Joanne Bartell. It is her 2,000 subscriber giveaway on her channel. I am combining this with a couple of different things. I am doing Mad About mini pads, simple stories, all of this stuff put together because Joanne does a ton of hops and stuff on YouTube. First and foremost, I joined the Pink Fresh Fridays that happens once a month where we use just Pink Fresh only, and then we do simple stories. I just joined that one as well, and that was supposed to be up on Saturday. And y'all, you guys know me, I am very transparent. State testing in the month of April has been a mess. I have been dealing with retirement for my husband. When I am doing this video, or this particular one is the day before, because I went to go edit the actual video and it's corrupted. So today is the last day of my husband's active duty status, and tomorrow will be his officially 100% retired. So we had to do all of the retirement stuff and ID cards, all of that in the month of April, and then we had state testing. State testing is only supposed to last for 3 days. It landed for 6, and then we went into our diagnostic and whatnot. So I couldn't get everything done like I wanted to, but Joanne is such a wonderful person. You've got to go check out. Everything will be linked down below. The link that I did for, or the video, like the picture, the layout that I scrap lifted from her will be up here too, just so that you can see that. And so what I did was I combined the mini paper, the Mad About mini paper. So I used Simple Stories, Sun-Kissed, and then I used only one 12 by 12 paper. Everything else was done by the 6 by 8. And then I captured life, captured from Simple Stories, along with Sun-Kissed embellishments for this. So here is what my take is on her layout. I absolutely love this. It's super gorgeous. I love it. It is like the best. I did do some Distress Oxides, dried marigold, and pink raspberry. That is what's along the edge here. I did grab my acrylic paint pen, and that is the black splatters you see. Everything, this here is Let's Get Crafty. That's my 12 by 12. I did the doodling on the side because I love that doodling. I may do that more often. I love that doodle. She did some hand stitching, or it looks like she did. It looks like hand stitching on some, and then some of it looks like she used some dyes on this particular one. I got this from her one of her August posts off of her Instagram. And so I doodled along the edges because that's what I love to do. Good vibes is what I'm calling it. She had some tags. She had some down here, but I decided to do more of this. And this is of my daughter's first getting back into volleyball, or not volleyball, soccer or football. And this was the first practice of her spring season last year in 2022. And so, yeah, so that we're now on our 3rd season back since COVID finally allowed us to do this. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. I'm loving this. And all of these girls are back for this season. So the gal that's right behind Coach, Caitlin, these two, and this one, she has moved on. But they're all back for the 3rd season in a row, and I'm ecstatic. So here is my take. I will put it up closely. I know that this never happens that often to us, but this is what happens when you get lovely corrupted stuff. Here is the mixed media I was talking about. It's dried. I did some up here because she is fantastic with her mixed media. I love how she does her mixed media. I have these just kind of loosely hanging there. And I just love how this turns out. So go check out everybody down below. I am super sorry for not having a process video, but here is my take. Congratulations, Joanne. I absolutely love that. Go check everything else out. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you guys soon. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.